how to change Bitmoji gender in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So today I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitmoji gender in Snapchat in just a few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. So first things first, open up your Snapchat and then go to your profile icon on the top left corner. There, you'll have to go to the gear icon, which is the settings on the top right corner. In the settings, tap on Bitmoji, and there you'll find a Bitmoji. So what you have to do is, you'll have to tap on Remove My Bitmoji, confirm it, and now you'll have to tap on Create My Avatar. So you can create a new avatar, and then now in my case I'll choose a male, and then I can skip this option, skip it, and then now I can start whatever I want as the male Bitmoji. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.